How important is it to go through a lawyer? Because obviously I hear a lot of people, you know what, I'll just go ahead and do the paperwork myself.
Yes.
Or I'll just go ahead, LegalZoom, and take care of all of it. How important is it, do you think, that somebody should consult an actual lawyer for these things?
Well, that is a big can of worms with me. I think that LegalZoom is out there and they do what they do, but there's never a substitute for talking to a live person, right? Who knows your business, who can give you custom advice and take in all your considerations. Because, anyone who comes to me as a client is a full, well-rounded human being, and they have business concerns, they have legal concerns, and these are not things that just, filling in a form online or giving information to someone in customer service just over the phone can really do for you. You have to have a real understanding of what your client is going through in order to give them the best advice.
Mm-hmm. So if I wanted to get this done, let's say my logo now.
Yep.
Because some people don't know about class and whatnot. Is it just, okay, I'm about to just get my logo copywritten or trademarked or
yeah.
whatnot? Because people confuse them.
Yeah.
Trademark, copywritten. So what do I do now? Do I just go online, or what do I do?
So I don't recommend people try to register a trademark on their own. You can check on the website uspto.gov, which is the United States Patent and Trademark Office.gov, and you can do a search to see if it looks like your trademark is available. But that's just kind of the lowest level of search. Attorneys like me will run a full search that will tell you in every single state and federally what is pending and not registered yet, and what is registered that would prevent you from registering that. And that's really why you need an attorney, because it's kind of tricky. It's kind of tricky because many people think, I searched the words I want and I don't find an exact match, and the problem is it's not about an exact match, it's about this thing called the likelihood of confusion. And the likelihood of confusion basically is certain factors that come from case law that tell us whether or not a certain existing trademark is likely to cause confusion in the minds of consumers. So the law, trademark law, is designed to protect consumers like you and me from being confused about where the goods come from that we're buying.
I think it's absolutely amazing that you share this, because I have these conversations with people nationwide, and everybody's a lawyer according to their information.
Yes.
Not a real lawyer. Their information underlines that they're a lawyer. And not only that, these people are on panels that discuss, this is the best way to get a trademark, this is what I did, but it's not what you just discussed.
Right. I'm sure that people like to cut corners, but what I always say to people is, one of the remedies for trademark infringement is that they can take all of your profits. So think about what that means. If you don't have a trademark attorney like me investigate your trademark and then register it for you, and you go on your own and you think you've done it somehow, and then you end up getting a lawsuit filed against you for trademark infringement, potentially that company or that person who's suing you can take all of your profits. So it doesn't make a lot of sense, instead of spending a relatively small sum of money to have an attorney handle it and nail down those rights for you, to take that risk of getting all your profits taken away, right? I mean, that's your blood, sweat, and tears that you put into your new business, and I would hate to see anyone, give that away because they get sued and they just were trying to be a penny pincher.